Hi. Today we will see how to implement a side sheet in an Android app. The app will be coded in Kotlin. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the UI of the main activity. Also, we have a side sheet layout XML file. This file contains the UI of the side sheet. Let's see the UI first. In the activity_main.xml file, we have a button called Show Side Sheet. And in the side sheet layout XML file, we have a text view with some text in it. Let's see the main activity now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, this is the onClick listener of the button. When the button is clicked, we first create an instance of the side sheet dialog. Then we set the side sheet layout XML file as the content view of this dialog. Here, we define where the side sheet will open from. Start means that the sheet will open from the left-hand side of the screen. The Set Cancelled on Touch Outside option is set to true. So when the side sheet is showing on the screen, if the user clicks somewhere outside the side sheet, the sheet gets closed. Here we define the onDismiss listener of the side sheet. When the sheet is dismissed, we show a toast. Here we apply animation to dismiss gesture of the sheet. Finally, we will check if the sheet is currently open or hidden. If it is hidden, we show the sheet. If it is already showing on the screen, we hide it. Now, let's run the app. As you can see, when I click the button, the side sheet gets shown on the screen. And when I click somewhere outside, the sheet gets closed. I have changed the direction of the sheet, now the sheet will open from the right-hand side of the screen. The link to download the code is given in the description box under this video. So that's it. That's how you can implement a side sheet in a Kotlin Android app. Thanks for watching.